Are we gonna be seeing new faces po sa kanina na po naglating-walo ng mga applicants or sa mga susunod pa? Or may mga darating po ng mga simple faces, familiar faces na may umay pa?
That's a very good question, actually. Kasi I was very surprised when we launched the QR code for the online screening. And meron din tayo may mga nagpasa rin na candidates na mga somewhat veteran. So, what we actually did, talagang yung po namin sila na malala. But definitely, meron tayong mga fresh new faces talaga with a very good credentials at talagang may ganap sa buhay. That's a very good question. So, ano ba? Taas kamay ako na bago ko tinanggap itong trabaho ko, nakausap ko si CEO na ayoko ng mga may ganong eksena sa buhay. Hindi ko sila hinaharaan sa pangarap nilang sumali sa pageantry, but I respect them kung yun na yung job nila. But si Intercontinental kasi is going to be a leader, not just a pageant game, not just someone who has a crown in his head. He's going to be a leader na talagang may kita ng bata, ng tao sa Pilipinas. We are very open when it comes to discussing the core values of the organization. So the question, kung yun po yung question, again, we are open, especially with the advocacy that we want to highlight, especially with the advocacy of the candidates themselves. So yun lang yung pagmamalaki namin. And at the same time, more on respect and understanding kung bakit ko talaga may passion na ganito. Kasi medyo napapahiga ng ibang eksena kasi yung pageantry and hindi ko siya pinalakihan gano'n. So the passion that is burning inside me parang bumababa. So right now, we are here making this possible para at least mas maprotektahan pa yung gusto na protektahan, especially yung value ni pageantry itself. Hindi yung pageantry to be specific.